In this experiment, we're going to show how the temperature of a solution affects how things dissolve. For this, we'll need a couple spoons, a couple of large glasses, one I've labeled hot and one I've labeled cold. I'm going to use this plastic cup as a measuring cup, and you'll need some sugar. So first thing you should do is put some water in our cups, and first I'll fill up the cold one. This water I've had in the freezer for a little while, so it's nice and cold. And I'm going to put about 2 plastic cups full in. And now I'm going to fill up my hot one with water from a kettle. Now be careful not to burn yourself. This one. And 2. And now we're going to test our hot and cold water to see how much sugar each can dissolve. I'll try the cold one first. And just take a spoon, pour some in, and you want to keep adding sugar you can probably keep adding sugar until no more sugar will dissolve. So I've put in about 1½ spoons into my ice cold water. And you need to do a lot of mixing, but it's gone pretty cloudy and no more sugar is dissolving. There's some even still at the bottom. And what we've made here is called a saturated solution, meaning that no more sugar will dissolve in our cold water. Now I'm going to try the same thing with the hot water and count how many spoonfuls of sugar will dissolve in the hot water. There's one. And that dissolved up pretty easily. Let's try another. And that's dissolved up, so put in 2. And let's try another. So I've already dissolved more sugar in my hot water than my cold water. And that dissolved up as well. Let's see if we can do one more. Put it in there. And that's dissolved up as well. And I could keep going and count how many spoons of sugar will dissolve in my hot water. And this solution is called a supersaturated solution, meaning that I've been able to dissolve more sugar in my hot water than my cold water. What we've learned here is called solubility, and how a solution like water, which is our solvent, can dissolve a solute, which is our sugar. Now, solubility is affected by the temperature of the solvent, or in our case, the water. The cold water wasn't able to dissolve as much sugar, while the hot water, since the temperature was higher, was able to dissolve more sugar.